Hello, welcome to my channel. First, I want to make sure everybody can hear, if anyone is there, if they can hear sound well. Also the music. Possibly my audience is all in Japanese. They're Japanese and they might not know. So anyway, I guess if you can hear well, hopefully you can hear well. So let me get started. Welcome to my channel. My name is Naomi, and in this channel, I'm going to show you how to make a website without writing too much code, probably almost no code. I used to be a web developer, and I used to write so much code. And I was a programmer, like software developer, web developer, I guess. And I got to the point that I don't want to do this anymore. And I was thinking, like, if there is any other way to make websites. And back then, it was a little bit hard without making websites without writing code. There are website builders and some not great tools, but now it is possible to do. And this channel, I'm going to have many contents that helps you to make websites, and you don't need any technical knowledge. Especially like right now I'm doing a YouTube Live, and in this YouTube Live, I will show you what tools you should use. This YouTube Live is one of maybe 6 or 10 series, and I will explain how to make websites in this series. And each time those, I call it maybe project ends, I'm gonna start a new project, and I'll keep making videos like this. The reason why I'm doing this YouTube Live instead of making normal videos is because I don't have time now, because I have another YouTube account, but it's in Japanese, and that's my main account. So for this channel, as a start, I'm doing this YouTube Live and really targeting people who don't know how to make websites. And gradually, I'm going to start putting out contents that's more complicated, and eventually you'll be able to make, let's say, online shop and membership website. Or maybe you can make a site that sells online courses, stuff like that. So that's my goal of this channel. So please, subscribe it. And if I'm not sure what point you're watching this, but there's gonna, maybe this, of course, this is the first video, so possibly there's gonna be more videos by then. So and if you have any questions during a live show, please ask. And I might not have time, because I'm planning to do maybe 15 to 30 minutes, this live show. But I might not have time to answer that point, but in the next video or next YouTube Live, I'll try to answer. So please ask questions. All right. And what are we gonna do today? So this is the very first video, right? So I'm going to talk about WordPress. You don't have to know what WordPress is now, because I'm going to explain it, but maybe in 5 minutes from now, I want you to be able to start playing with WordPress. So, before we go there, sorry about my, English. I hope I'm speaking English good enough that you guys understand what I'm talking about. But all right. So about WordPress. Before I talk about WordPress, and as I said, I want you to be able to start using WordPress in 5 minutes, I would like you to install some software which allow you to use WordPress. Of course, you don't know what WordPress is, but trust me, that's what's everybody's using, and you need it. So so here is this website called Local. What is the URL? The localwp.com. So I mean, I guess right now, I don't remember if I put in the description below, but I think I did. So please go to this website and download it and install it. Yeah, this is the #1 local WordPress development tool. This allows you to use WordPress in your computer. And yeah, it's very, very, very simple. So, and while you're doing it, I'm going to explain what WordPress is. All right. So what is WordPress, right? WordPress is the tool, or more like a platform, to make website. And so when you hear that, you might assume there are others, right? So many others, which is true. But WordPress is dominating this industry. I think as of today, it's used by about 43% of the entire websites exist in the world. So I'm sure you saw WordPress site today. If you see 3 websites, I'm sure one of them is WordPress. And even some major companies or even government use WordPress. Like for example, now go back here. Like this site, the Biden, the White House.gov. This is built with WordPress. And the Microsoft blog. Yeah, this is WordPress. Even though I'm recommending WordPress now, but I had an discussion with my friend before that he used to do, WordPress development, and I was kind of making fun of him for it. But I guess in the end, WordPress is the winner. Yeah, it's dominating, seriously dominating this website world. Yeah, that's why I've been teaching Japanese people, how to use it for 3 years now. So yeah, that's why I recommend WordPress. But why you should even learn it, right? Well, one, of course, you can make your own website if you want to ever make it. 2, then you can maybe make someone else's website. Of course, this is like apply for any other things. But also, it's easier than ever to make something, even some complicated things. Like in the beginning, I mentioned about e-commerce site. Yeah, those are also like not that hard to make anymore. Of course, there are other platforms like Shopify, or maybe you've heard of some other ones, but I think WordPress is the way to go. I mean, I guess Shopify is not bad. I've worked with it too. But to start, you don't have to pay anything for WordPress. I mean, to make an online store and stuff. So that's why, to begin to enter this industry, I think it's the best way. Yeah. And I used to write code, right? I used to write so much code, but then so many things don't require it anymore. Kind of feels weird that something I used to spend 10 hours to do is now 5 minutes, just like those, autonomous cars. It doesn't require people. I mean, of course, this WordPress requires people, but not engineer. Anyone can do it. So, yeah. Anyway, I guess my Japanese friends are here and cheering me up, saying hello. And then 9 says this, smiley face and thumbs up. Thank you. All right, then, what are we gonna do next? I hope you install the local, you know. All right, so then we're gonna start using WordPress now. All right, so assuming you install the local, and now you can open it. So this is how my local looks like. Okay, I have so many websites. Yours not gonna look like this. All right, so you press this plus button here on the local site. And don't worry, this doesn't cost anything. This only happens, this website will only exist in your computer. So, and I'm gonna name it, you know, my first website or something like that. And continue, just preferred. And admin. I know this is really just test, so just put whatever you feel like. This is gonna be your username, this is gonna be your password to log in, and the email address doesn't matter at this point. So yeah, just do it. There's advanced option, but don't worry about it. And add site. And now what it's doing is actually creating your first website. And here you have to put your password. Yours might not ask. Is adding installing WordPress. All right, so now you can press admin or open site. So I'm gonna press open site. And sorry, the screen has to change, so. So I assume this is what you're seeing if you open a site. And the URL might be different from mine, but it looks like this. All right. Then you can press the admin, or you can go to like here, WP admin, type in, or, okay, maybe I'm going too fast for this part. Well, press this button, admin. Then, wait. This page should pop up. And you press admin. You enter admin and password is admin. And login. So now you have your own, website. Right? So this tool lets you create website. This is local. I hope I'm saying it right. Local helps you to create website like this, and you can play with this however you want to. That was like today's goal, but there's some problem. Wait, let me make sure. Yeah, my friends are helping me. Hello, Master WP. Thank you. And the Master said, "Hello world." Hello world. Yes. All right. So now it says, "Welcome to WordPress," and learn more about 5.9 version. Right. The problem is this 5.9 isn't ready. What I'm talking about is, of course, everything is new to you here, but if you bring a cursor here in appearance, editor, it says beta, right? This is a problem. I've used it, and honestly, I don't recommend it. Then it's not ready. And many other influencers, people who post videos about WordPress, they say it's not ready. I mean, it's ready. If you can use it, if you are a more advanced user, you can probably use it. But this is not, I don't think it's for you if it's the first time you're using it. So what I recommend is, I recommend you to use a different theme. Okay, so the concept of theme is that theme is something that, how do you explain this? Basically changes the, of course, color, fonts, and layouts, and give you more options to do things. And this editor takes away all of it. I mean, in a way, give you so much, but takes away the way it makes it. I mean, it's not easy, right? So what you should do is go to theme, and this is the theme it's using. It's called 2022. WordPress always puts this the year, you know, to 2022, 2020, 2021. So either you choose these two, like if you want to choose this one, let's say 2021, you press activate, then choose this one, switch to this one. Now it has a customized widgets, menu, background, all kind of things here. But I would like to recommend the theme that I used, free theme that's used by more than anyone. And it's not here. And then in the WordPress, you can find theme. I mean, you can install new theme. So you press add new. And there are so many themes people created, and you can use it. And whatever you find here is free, but they might have something that's not that free. I mean, not that free. What I mean is they have like a pro version or something like that. So, and this is the one, Astra. Astra is, I think, last time I checked, it was the most used free theme on this here. So press install. Yeah, and in the description below there is a page to the Astra. So it explains Astra more, but activate it. Okay. And Astra has these also customized widgets, menus, and I'll go in detail later in different video. But if you go back to your site and refresh, yeah, now it looks like this. I know it doesn't look that great at this point, but this is your site right now. And for today's video, all I think you should be doing is just enjoy using it. So I say go here and press new, and you can make a new page. So click new page. And this actually explains to you how to use this thing called the block editor. Also, it's called the Gutenberg, and it's terrible. It's terrible, really terrible. But it's getting better. It's getting better and better. So forgive them, please. But yeah, you can read it, but also you can start using it. Like for example, very creative test page. And you know, test contents here, right? Then you can click this part. So then you see paragraph here. I know this is like so weird, like something's not working right. Well, let me save it first. Click save as draft, or you can publish it. And yeah, let's just publish it. Okay. Then this page, yeah, test page is now live. So you click it. So this page is there, and it says test page, test contents here, right? Somehow the things are not showing up here, so let me refresh it. Well, okay, I entered it now, it's process appeared. So you can enter like images. I don't go detail here, but you this is a tool to add many different things here. For example, the paragraph, image, headings. And if you want to see all of it, browse all. Then you'll see all these things here. Headings, you get the heading. Also, if you want to have multiple columns, then you can go to these columns here. Then you can divide it, right? Like this. See, like I'll give you a better way to, I'll show you the better way to do this in a different, maybe next video, probably, or other video. This one is a little bit harder to use. You can get used to it, but so pretty much I would like you to play with this. Update. So now you can see your page. Right, it's now separated. But I'll be honest, like I was saying, I don't use this often. Sometimes I have to use it when I'm writing a blog post or something. I use this. But there are better tools, so I'll show you later. But for today, I think it's better if you play with these things. There's a, everything is new. I mean, if it's new for you. All right, let me check comments. Hi, you got this. Thank you very much. Can I downgrade the WP version? Yes, it's possible. Maybe I'll show you in a different video, but it requires some plugins. Good morning. Your explanation is always very clear. Thank you. Yes, these are all my Japanese friends who are helping me. Yeah, this is very first time I'm making a video or doing anything like this in English, so it's a bit, I know I'm not that organized, and maybe I'm not explaining things well, so. And yeah, I might have gone a little too fast. People are like, what the hell is this now? Maybe, but once you get here, you already know that you have a website running on your machine. And there's some secret button, which is just for testing purpose though, because it might explode. So anyway, go back here, local. And if I want to share my first website with someone, here's this button called live link. Wait, is this button or this button? This button. It's not working. Maybe it's not work. Wait. Weird. It should work. Sorry about that. This should have an ability to temporarily though, like it's not a really real good connection, but you should be able to share it. Okay. It says you're now logged into local. Log into your local account to use live link. Maybe I'll log in. If I remember the email account. Wait a second. It says it doesn't recognize my account. Alright. So for this feature, maybe I'll explain in a different video, but yeah, it's possible to share this link and other people can see what you're doing in your local machine. Alright. Okay, so here I would like, as I said, I would like to play with this. And my next video, I'll explain more detail in each, like what these things mean and what you can change, right? Meanwhile, I would like you to play with, like, let's say, customize. Like, what can you customize here, right? There are many things you can actually change. Okay. Yeah. And I'll explain what the plugins are and themes, a little more detail. I think that's what I'm going to do next in the next video. Next YouTube Live, I guess. Yeah. And my plan is to have 3 YouTube Live a week. Okay. So, like, originally my plan was to do this Monday, Wednesday, Friday. But unfortunately, this Friday I have something to do this time, so I'm actually not 100% sure when I'm going to do this. Monday for sure, but I'm not sure if I will do one between. Yeah. So yeah. Anyway, I'll put out the YouTube Live link. I mean, if you subscribe it, I think you can see, right? If I put YouTube Live, if I set it to a certain day. Okay, first my friend Yuji. Hello. I think it's some kind of emoji, probably. Chill cat. Hello, yeah. Hi, Lana. Oh, I've been wondering how to share the local website with someone. Thanks for the trick. Haven't noticed the button. It worked. Okay, that's great. And yeah, sorry, like I feel a little bit, I mean, I'm already doing it. I just wanted to do it, but a little bit feeling like I'm like not organized, not prepared. And I mean, YouTube Live, so that's my excuse. You know, I'm kind of going with the flow. So, but yeah, thank you, Lana, for that comment. Eventually, I'll get to the Croco block part. So, but yeah, for now, slowly, I'm probably showing the basics. All right then. And you know, when you watch this video, maybe this is like a month from now, I'm not sure. But if you have any questions, yeah, please jump into my live and ask. And if it's not related to what I'm talking about, eventually I'll answer, either making a video or answering in the end of the live, YouTube Live. I think I would like to always ask questions. So, all right then, I think, you know, I should stop it here. Oh, Lana says, it's okay, this is the first time in English. Thank you. I'm not here about CrocoBlock. I'm more about learning something interesting to improve my skills. Well, I don't know what to say, but thank you. Yeah, I would like to, I hope, yeah, I can share more things that people might find very useful and you might find useful. So any encouragement, yeah, helps me to keep going. So thank you. Nice glasses. Where you bought it? It's a secret. Can't tell you. But thank you. And Kirari Dog Japan says hi. Hi. But I'm about to end this. So anyway, if you have any questions, let me know. Okay. All right then. Thank you for watching. And it'll be better. Okay. I'm a little nervous now because I guess English, I don't know, but just not just English. I guess I have no idea about the audience, right? Because I've been doing it in Japanese for a long time, and now suddenly I feel like this is something I really don't know. So, all right. Anyway, I know I made it really vague, but Monday for sure for next YouTube live. So, but maybe I might do something in between, but I might, not sure yet. But eventually it's gonna be consistent. So by accident I scheduled something this time for this coming Friday. Yeah. All right then. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I'll see you next time. All right. Bye bye.